Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of battling dry, dull skin and are looking for a complete skincare solution, the RoC Barrier Renew Bundle might just be what you need. This set includes a night moisturizer, day cream with SPF 30, and a gel to foam cleanser, all developed with dermatologists to help repair and protect your skin's natural barrier. Today, we're diving into how these products perform and whether they live up to their promises. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the RoC Barrier Renew Night Moisturizer. This is a 2.5 ounce jar designed to repair and maintain a healthy skin barrier, especially for those with sensitive skin. Its formula includes 3 key ingredients: ceramides, antioxidant green tea, and lipopeptides. These ingredients work together to hydrate, balance, and smooth the skin. What's particularly exciting is that it's clinically proven to hydrate and restore skin in just 14 nights. I've been using this every evening, and it has a rich but non-greasy texture that feels incredibly soothing on the skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving no heavy residue, which I really appreciate. Now, the RoC Barrier Renew Day Cream with SPF 30 is a game changer for daytime hydration and protection. This 2.5 ounce tube offers a broad spectrum SPF 30 to protect your skin while helping it stay moisturized and smooth. The ceramides, prebiotics, and SPF 30 blend make it not only a protective layer for the skin, but also an anti-aging formula aimed at reducing dryness and uneven skin tone. I was pleasantly surprised at how lightweight this day cream is. It sits beautifully under makeup, leaving the skin hydrated but never greasy. Plus, the added SPF gives peace of mind when stepping out into the sun. Last but not least, we have the RoC Barrier Renew Gel to Foam Cleanser in a 12 ounce pump bottle. This cleanser is formulated to hydrate and soften the skin while gently cleansing away impurities. With ceramides, green tea, and glycerin, it maintains the skin's balance without stripping it. The gel transforms into a light foam that feels incredibly soft and soothing on the skin. It doesn't dry out your skin after use, which is often a concern with cleansers, especially for sensitive or dry skin types. In terms of performance, the results have been pretty impressive. After using the full system for about 10 days now, I noticed smoother, softer skin that feels more balanced. The night moisturizer has really helped with hydration, and the day cream with SPF keeps me protected throughout the day without feeling heavy or greasy. The cleanser has been gentle but effective at removing makeup and impurities without leaving my skin feeling tight. Pros of the RoC Barrier Renew Bundle include its ability to hydrate, protect, and smooth skin without irritation. The ingredients are well chosen for sensitive skin, and the inclusion of ceramides and antioxidants helps reinforce the skin's natural barrier. I also appreciate that these products are fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making them suitable for a wide range of skin types. As for cons, I would say that while the day cream with SPF 30 is fantastic for daytime use, the sunscreen could be a bit heavier for some people, particularly those with oily skin. Also, while the packaging is functional, the jars for both the night moisturizer and day cream are on the larger side, which might be less travel-friendly. When it comes to value for money, the RoC Barrier Renew Bundle is priced reasonably for its quality, considering that you're getting 3 full-sized, dermatologist-developed products that are clinically tested. Each product is highly effective, and the results are noticeable within a short period, which is always a win in my book. If you're looking for something more affordable, you could try similar skincare products from brands like CeraVe or Neutrogena, both of which offer products with ceramides and other hydrating ingredients at a more budget-friendly price point. To sum it up, the RoC Barrier Renew Bundle is a solid choice if you're looking for a comprehensive skincare routine to protect and repair your skin's barrier, especially if you have sensitive skin. It provides hydration, smooths uneven texture, and shields your skin from environmental stressors. While the price might be a bit higher, the results and quality of ingredients are worth it for those serious about skincare. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.